Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to find presets in Bandlab. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in bandlab.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Bandlab if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. In the left side of the screen, we have the trending, following, music, video. We have the liked posts, albums, and playlists. And in the top of the screen, we have feed, discover, services, library, and the search bar. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and find presets in Bandlab. So first of all, launch Bandlab on your computer or mobile device and go to your library and open the project where you want to use your presets. So go to the library and here you have your project. On the track where you want to add a preset, click the FX button. A menu will open with a variety of preset options. You can browse through categories or use the search bar to find specific presets. Choose the preset you'd like to apply it to your track. You can also explore presets created by others using visiting Bandlab presets library or sharing custom presets with friends. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, bye guys.